Your Xiaomi Air Purifier is great, but how many times do you wish you could move it easily around? It would need to have wheels. Maybe there's a solution for that. For only $9, you can get wheels for Air Purifier 1, Pro H, 2S, 3H, and Max. Let's take a look. As I said, these wheels are available on Ollie for around $9. They don't come in a box, but are bubble wrapped and come with a small pick tool for removing the rubber feet off the air purifier. Now let's see how it is installed. The process is pretty simple. First you have to remove the rubber feet from the purifier, and you can do that easily with a pick tool you got with the wheels. Then in place of the rubber feet, you just insert the wheels, and once you do that, you put back the rubber feet into the new holder on the wheels. And it's ready to be used. So far so good. The good seems okay. You can now move your purifier around provided you have a long enough power cable. Thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.